Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to add Facebook Pixel in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect ConvertKit with Facebook. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both ConvertKit and Facebook from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to input your API key here. To find this key, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Now repeat this process to log into your Facebook account by entering your email and password. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap, and that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.